Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple recipe for vanilla cake. I know I've made it several times. However, this recipe is what most people call yellow cake, and what I usually make is what most people call white cake. So this time I'm not really paying attention to the color of the cake, and I want it to be a little more on the yellowy side, but it is still vanilla and it's a much simpler recipe than the one I already have up. So let's get started. Only simple ingredients. We need 2.5 cups or 310 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup or 200 grams of butter, 1 3/4 cups or 350 grams of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract or 1.5 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cup or 260 milliliters of milk. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter, add sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, and vanilla. Then alternate adding 1/3 of the flour with half of the milk until all the ingredients are combined into a smooth batter. Scrape the edges of the bowl. Pour the batter into a greased and lined baking form. This is an 8-inch round cake. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This cake gets a bit brown on the edges, but the inside stays a lovely yellow color. It's also soft and moist. It's a great alternative to white cake if you're not filling up to beating the egg whites. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.